Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WAEC 2020 Mathematics Past Question 12. The first term of a geometric progression is 3 and the fifth term is 48. Find the common ratio. So, we are given the first term of a geometric progression, a GP, to be 3 and the fifth term, T5, to be 48. And like we know, for a geometric progression, Tn is equals to A r raised to the power of n minus 1. So therefore Tn is 48 is equals to A, which is 3, multiplied by r, which is the common ratio, and that's what I'm looking for, then raised to the power of 5 minus 1, because n is 5. So that means 48 is equals to 3 multiplied by r raised to the power of 4. So r raised to the power of 4 will be equals to 48 all over 3. That means r raised to the power of 4 is equals to 16. Now r will be equals to the fourth root of 16. So r is equals to 2, because 2 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 16. So the fourth root of 16 is 2. So the value for the common ratio is 2, which is option A. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.